That works. Okay. Today's April 1st, 2019, and here's your... No, it's not daily update yet. It's not that. We do a weekly preview. Let's see here. This week, coming out in theaters or on DVD. A second. Oh, okay. Let's see. Endgame's not coming out yet, unfortunately. Pet Sematary is coming out. We don't need another one of those. I think we had like 15 already in the 80s. Unicorn Store. A woman named Kit moves back to her parents' house where she receives a mysterious invitation to open her own shop. Take that as you will. I'm probably not going to see that at all. The Haunting of Sharon Tate. The last days of a 26-year-old Hollywood actress, Sharon Tate, as she dreams about ghosts haunting her house and foresees her own death at the hands of a satanic cult. Sharon Tate's a real person, isn't she? Isn't she? Sharon Tate's... No, I guess not. But yeah, I guess she is. This must have really happened. Alright, well, I'm not going to see that either. I don't care. Teen Spirit. The Best of Enemies. The Public is a drama inspired by a LA Times story. This doesn't even have a hyperlink. I can't even click on it. So I'm not gonna see that for sure. All these other ones do, but that looks good. Batman vs. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Alright, this actually looks kind of cool. It's all new anime movie unites everyone's favorite turtles. I like them. And the Cape Crusader. First time. I might see that. I mean, I'm not going to see it anytime soon. I'll definitely won't see it this week or this month. I'll probably see it. I don't know if that's coming out. If that's everything. Shazam comes out the 4th. I want to see Shazam actually. From the trailers, it looks kind of funny. It looks kind of like a whole different take on the superhero movies now. So not so serious, everything like that. And I like the fact that Shazam is like super duper powerful. So, well, like I said, it looks funny. I'm kind of sick of superhero movies being so serious. Because, you know, we've got so many of them. It's about time that we, you know, start making fun of that. Anyway, who cares? I don't care. Let's do video games. April. Quiet. Falco, quiet. Quiet. Good girl. 2019. Okay. No, I don't want 2019. All of it. Okay, 2019 video gaming. January, February, March. Hold on, sorry. It's April. Okay, we have Power Rangers Battle for the Grid. That's it. That's it. Okay. As far as I know, that's it. So we're gonna look that up because it doesn't even have a link on Wikipedia. I can't click on anything, so I'm gonna go to the site, Battle for the Grid. Okay, Power Rangers Battle for the Grid. So it's $20. The website still says coming spring 2019, so I don't know if that's even. It comes out on PS4, Xbox One, Switch, and Steam. So if you like Power Rangers, you'll probably like Battling for the Grid. Unless you don't like battling for grids. I don't think I'll get this. I don't think I'll play it. Power Rangers are okay, but they're, I don't know. Look at these Power Rangers. Look at this. Look at this. Look at. So, you get all these normal Power Rangers. Like, oh, Red Ranger. You can be Jason, whatever. She's got a super duper cool sword. He's got a staff and whatever. He's got a super cool sword. Catman, she's actually kind of cool, actually. Ranger Slayer. That sounds kind of cool. Kimberly Harwood's one's the pink, so she brainwashed by law and chose evil bidding. Is oh, well, I mean, it started kind of cool. And he's like, ah! He's got his sword too. He's got his, and then, oh yeah, by the way, I carry a fucking AR-15, whatever. That's how I'm a Power Ranger. I just fucking carry a gun. Anyway. Yeah, but no, I like that. It's like sword, sword, sword. Boom. Assault rifle. It's Mastodon Century. Anyway, maybe I will play that. Doesn't seem too bad. As long as I can play as Mastodon Century. I'm not going to go through this whole thing again, so we're just going to leave it here. Okay, TV. This is kind of getting long. So TV. Show April 19. TV premiere dates.